so illiterate.
Me say me feel good, you see, if you know say the principal I say something nice, so me don't bother the car. Me tell her say next time she might give me some spell it, she give small something like mosquito. Not cow, look how big. They don't see how cow big and mosquito so small. Me illiterate body.